everyone! I've been seeing more and more videos mentioning the baking soda water shot, especially in conversations around weight management and wellness routines. But when I started looking into it, I noticed something. Almost every video seems to tell a slightly different story. That's what made me curious enough to look a little deeper. When you search for the baking soda water shot, you will find short clips, different versions of the so-called hack, and plenty of people talking about what they've heard. But most of those videos don't give you the full context behind the trend. And that's important because something becoming popular online doesn't automatically mean every version you see is accurate, okay? Eventually, I came across a much more complete presentation that explains the idea people are referring to when they mention the baking soda water shot. It goes beyond the short clips and gives you the complete story behind the routine, why it has attracted so much attention, and what the broader approach is about. Intentionally not going to give you a recipe or instructions here because I'd rather not take pieces of the presentation out of context. And of course, no single hack should be viewed as a guaranteed shortcut for changing your body. Individual experiences can vary, okay? So if the baking soda water shot is what brought you here, the easiest thing to do is watch the complete presentation for yourself. You'll be able to see the full explanation rather than trying to put together pieces from different videos online. So I've left the link in the description below. Just click there and learn more about the baking soda water shot.